magnetic ceramics and oxide ceramics. Ferromagnetic ceramics. We know that soft magnetic materials are easy to magnetize with low value of magnetic field. On the other hand, the hard magnetic materials require larger magnetic field for magnetization as well as demagnetization. Coercive field is very high and hence used to make hard magnets for applications such as recording media and permanent magnet. This is for hard magnetic materials. Whereas the soft magnetic ceramics exhibits similar properties as that of soft magnetic materials. However, soft magnetic ceramics are good electrical insulators. The eddy current classes of the soft magnetic materials are soft magnetic ceramics are very low. Magnetic ceramic materials are used whenever there is a requirement of reduction in the eddy current losses. The magnetic ceramic materials are classified into three types, mainly spinel structure, garnets, and hexagonal ferrites. The spinel and garnet will come under a single category, that is cubic. Let us see in detail about hexagonal ferrites. These are like ferromagnetic materials. The general formula for hexagonal ferrites is BaO 6 Fe2O3. That's why 6 times, that is hexagonal ferrites. Structure similar to magnetoplumbite and hence it is also called as magnetoferrites. In this structure, all magnetic spins are parallel. Based on the arrangement of grains, hexagonal ferrites are classified as isotropic and anisotropic ferrites. The grains are arranged in random manner in isotropic ferrites, while in anisotropic crystals they are aligned in regular manner. One can obtain the anisotropy by the influence of magnetic field. Hexagonal ferrites have high anisotropy constants and hence are used to fabricate hard magnets with high coercive fields. In view of its low conductivity, high coercive fields, easy manufacturing, etc., hexagonal ferrites is one of the important permanent magnets. It finds wide application like loudspeaker and compact DC motors where a large field is required. Oxide ceramics. There are two important oxide ceramics, alumina and zirconia. High alumina ceramics. They contain 85% or more by weight of Al2O3. Alumina is nothing but an aluminium oxide which is the oldest engineering ceramic. Alumina is produced from bauxite. Characteristics of alumina. Alumina have excellent hardness, wear resistance and chemical inertness properties. They are more stiffer than steels. They are more stronger in compression than many hardened steels. They retain 50% of their room temperature strength even at elevated temperature about 1093 degree centigrade. They possess very good environmental resistance. These are mechanically strong, dense materials, unlike refractories which are usually porous. They have ability to resist high temperature because they are poor thermal conductors. They possess low neutron absorption cross-section. This property enables them to find application in nuclear equipment. Alumina is blended with other ceramics such as zirconia to improve its tensile and toughness properties. They have high corrosion resistance. They have high dimensional stability. Applications of alumina. They are used as a refractory material for high temperature applications. They make an excellent high voltage insulator. Classical applications are for insulators in spark plugs and in insulating substrates to support integrated circuits. Alumina-based ceramic tools have very high abrasion resistance, hot hardness, and are chemically stable than high-speed steels. So they are used in cutting cast irons and steels to obtain good surface finish. Because of its high hardness, it is often used as an abrasive material in grinding wheels. It is used for pump liners, impellers, check valves, and nozzles subjected to erosion. Some unique applications found in medical use that include restoration of teeth, bone filter, and orthopedic implants.